Hey, good afternoon. I talk a lot about the farm and the outside and the shop, and I give a shout out to Lowe's a lot. But this is our new dining room table, albeit a small dining room table, because as you can see, we have a rather small dining room. However, this did not come from Lowe's. What a shock. This came from my second favorite place, Ikea. And I gotta tell you, there's a lot of jokes about Ikea when you put it together and it just pops together. This son of a bitch is solid. And it took me about an hour to put it together and get it together right. It's got drop leaves, pulls out, you got a nice handy table, and it was on sale for $79. So I'm not going to tell you to go out, run right out to Ikea and buy a new table. But I am going to tell you that their quality has gotten a lot better in the last few years. So until I build something else, hell, who knows what that's going to be, I will catch you on the flip side.